This overflow pipe on this tank leaks all the time. It's funny, you can see it in the shadow more easily than real life. There's always water leaking down the hill. Now, it can't be coming just from that tank. My guess is, I think this tank is plumbed into that tank up there. Not certain about that, but I believe it's correct. There is a gate valve here, which doesn't want to come out. That cover won't come off. Anyway, there's a valve in there. My guess is water from that tank is leaking through the valve, which should be off, down into that tank. So I'm going to have to investigate that one day. It's nice having all of this water storage, but I hate the fact that it's spread all over the place. So another project for the near future is moving all of these tanks, getting them all lined up in one place so that I don't have to worry about what's connected to what and blah blah blah. Anyway, that's one for another time.